This video tutorial I will explain Spring plus JDBC support. Here I have defined a class employee DAO which extends JDBC support class. So in employee DAO class, we no need to define data source and JDBC template because it is defined in JDBC support class, and it has setter methods and getter methods for JDBC template and data source. Here you can see the JDBC support class, and it has set data source method and set JDBC template method. So we just need to create the data source and inject into the employee DAO. And using get JDBC template method, we can get the JDBC template, and we can use the JDBC template to insert the data in employee table. Here you can see the pom.xml. Here we have defined dependencies for Spring and MySQL. Here I have defined the class employee. It has 4 properties: employee ID, name, age, and salary. Here I have defined the interface employee DAO. It has abstract method insert. Here I have defined a class employee DAO which extends JDBC support class and implements employee DAO interface and provide implementation of insert method. Using get JDBC template method, I am getting the JDBC template, and using update method of JDBC template, I am inserting one record in employee table. Here I am passing the SQL and binding the value of employee ID, name, age, and salary. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates a data source object. To create data source object, Spring container needs to know driver class name, URL of the database, and username and password of the database. And once data source object is created, it will be injected to employee DAO. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee DAO object from Spring container, then creating employee object, then calling insert method of employee DAO object to insert one record in employee table. And employee record is created successfully, and here you can see the employee record. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.